Hello students, this is Dr. C. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. So now we are going to see about in energy sources, solar energy. So solar energy is another renewable form of energy. So the solar energy can be utilized very easily and it can be used as a renewable source of clean energy. So energy that we directly get from the sun, solar means sun, or process of conversion of direct sunlight into more useful form. So it occurs or involves in two different mechanisms. One is thermal conversion, next is the photo conversion. So in thermal conversion, absorption of thermal energy in the form of IR radiation, it is an important source for low temperature, that is at lesser than 100 degrees centigrade, for heating water, building and refrigeration. So there are different methods of thermal conversion. Solar heat collectors, solar water heaters. So solar heat collectors, they consist of natural materials like stones, bricks or glass. They absorb heat at the day and release heat at the night. So the solar heat collectors, they work during the day and they release the energy during the night. You can see the circulation of the solar energy inside the solar hot air panel mounted on the roof. So they absorb the energy, the sun mat, it absorbs energy through the sun mat, solar hot air panel. They are mounted on the roof and on the side. So uses, it is used in the cold places where the house is kept in hot conditioning using solar heat collectors. So these collect the heat during the day and they circulate during the night. Then solar water heater. So you are very aware of solar water heater. It consists of an insulated box painted black provided with a glass lid to receive stored heat. Inside the glass box is a black painted copper coil through which the cold water circulated, which takes up the heat and exists as hot water. So solar water heater, it is being used. It can be used individually in each houses, or it can be used in a large unit for any industries. So instead of relying on the electricity, we can rely on the solar water heater so that we are more into the sustainable development. So solar energy, in that we are going to see about photo conversion. So conversion of the light energy directly into the electrical energy by the photoelectric effect. So photogalvanic cells or solar cells is used. It works by photo conversion method. So what it is cell that converts solar energy, that is the sunlight, directly into electrical energy. The principle is, it's based on photovoltaic effect. When the solar rays falls on a two-layered semiconductor device, a potential difference is produced and this causes the flow of electrons between the two layers. So we can see that the light rays, they come and hit on the semiconductor layer and the electrons are emitted and there is a potential difference that is being produced and this causes the flow of electron. So in solar cell, it consists of a p-type semiconductor, that is the silicon doped with boron, and an n-type semiconductor, silicon doped with phosphorus, in contact with each other. So solar rays, they falls on the top layer of the n-type. The electrons from the valence band get promoted to the conduction band and they cross p-n junction into the p-type. So there is a crossing of the electrons due to the jumping of valence band electrons and thereby a potential difference which causes the flow of electron and hence a current flows. So when this type of p-n layers are connected to an external circuit, you can get the current out of it. So we can see in the diagram, the sunlight it goes in. It's the semiconductor level, N-type semiconductor, PN junction and the P-type semiconductor. So there are various applications of the solar cells. It is used in the calculators, watches, street lights, parks, satellites, and also to heat the wells. Then solar operated vehicles, tape recorders, solar panels. Thank you.